Hello everyone, welcome to the Software Coding Tutorials channel. My name is Tommy. Today I will give you a basic introduction of creating a web application using React. React.js is an open source JavaScript library that is used for building user interfaces, specifically for single page application. React allows developers to create large web applications that can change data without reloading the page. The main purpose of React is to be fast, scalable, and simple. React was first created by Jordan Walk, a software engineer working for Facebook. React first deployed on Facebook newsfeed in 2011 and on Instagram.com in 2012. So for today's lesson, I will show you the following. Install NodeJS, which is an open source server environment to run React. Then second, to create a basic web application, Hello World, to demonstrate React. Okay, so let's get started. In order for us to install Node.js, go to nodejs.org/en/download. And there will be several installers. One in particular is for Windows. The other ones you can even install for Mac OS or Linux. So choose the window installer for the example that I'm using. Once you download Node.js, go ahead and install it. So the version that I'm using is version 14.15.1 x64 MSI. So go ahead and click on it and click on next. And then install. Since I already installed it, I don't need to install it again. Okay, so once you install Node.js, open a DOS prompt window and verify the version number by typing in node-v. And here I install version 14.15.1. Okay, so the next step is to use our Node package manager and install the Create React app. The Create React app is a officially supported way to create React application. So we're going to type in npm install -g create React app. Okay, so the next step is to use the npx tool to create our hello application. So we're going to type npx create React app and then hello world. And it's going to take a couple minutes. Okay, so once it created successfully the Hello World app for you, cd into it, and as you can see, it created several files including the source directory. Now it's a lot better that you want to open this with Visual Studio Code. Okay, so once you have Visual Studio Code, open the project that you create. So in this case it's going to be Hello World, and look under src. There's a bunch of files here, and locate app.js. then you can see that it's populated with a bunch of default code. So go ahead and just strip out the code between the header tag, and then just type in something like h3 hello world, and then you can type in a href equal to https google.com, and then type in google.com, and then Control S to save. Then open up the DOS prompt and type in npm start, and this will kick off the server. Give it a few minutes. Okay, starting the development server. And as you can see here, we have localhost port number 3000. That is the default port for NodeJS. And you can see here it says hello world, and below that there's a link to google.com. So you click on google.com and it goes to google.com. Okay, so that's all I have for this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of tutorial, and I will continue to create more videos as time permits for me.